Hello everyone, this is Dom, and in this video we are going to cover how to schedule an Instagram post in Salesforce Social Studio. Now, as I've pointed out in a few other videos, there are two ways to schedule content, two main ways that I know of to schedule content here in Social Studio. The first one is to click on this green button and choose your platform, in this case Instagram Business. You'll see Instagram mobile push. I right clicked and opened it in a new window, which it didn't work. So let me go ahead and just click it directly. You'll notice that there's Instagram business and Instagram mobile push. Um, I don't know what this was for. We never really have been able to use it. So you're going to be focusing on Instagram business um, as far as I'm aware. And then the other way to schedule content for Instagram is to click directly on the calendar and then, of course, choose Instagram business right here. All right, and so in either of these, you're going to be taken to the content scheduling page. So notice Instagram business, but you'll notice down there at the bottom, as we swipe back and forth between these two screens, that there's a slight difference. In this one, which was the one where we clicked the green button, notice the button's green and it's set to publish now. And on the second one where we clicked on the calendar, it's blue and it says schedule from Social Studio, and you'll see that there's a date and a time associated with it, and the deployment is set to schedule from Social Studio. And you can choose back and forth, schedule or publish, but because you click on a date and time on the calendar, it is already populated with a date and a time. So that's usually the way I go about choosing which method to use, is whether or not I want to publish something right now or I want to publish something at a set time in the future. And if I have a day and time that I want this to go out, then typically I'll just click directly on the calendar versus clicking that green button. So the first step in both of these is to select the account that you want to publish from. Now, we've already chosen the platform, Instagram business, or let's just call it Instagram from now on. We've chosen Instagram, but if there is more than one Instagram account in your workspace, then you can click this button and add all of them, or you can you can click and do a drop down and select which ones you want to publish to. But in this case, we only have one. And now in this situation, I'm actually going to find some actual Instagram content and we're going to use it. I don't know if you're aware of this, but we have a big Trello board that we work from for veteran resources. Vet resources is what we call it. And so this one, we have interns actually actively working on this stuff. One of these has already gone out, so I'm just going to use this one. And we're just going to download this picture, save image as active heroes. All right, cool. And we created this for Instagram specifically. So now I have an Instagram graphic. I'm going to upload it. Instagram. It's going to be a nice picture. And here is some sample text about active heroes. All right. Labels. If you had an applicable label, you would add that here. I'm just going to call it careers. I have no idea really what this program's about. But, if, let's see, support service members and veterans through physical. Okay, well, anyway, maybe treatment. Is that a thing that we have in here? Therapy, treatment, get rid of careers. Cool. All right, and then I would publish it now. So click publish now. Sorry, I got a new puppy, and he's shaking behind me. All right, so now that post is going to, it says it's been published. If we were to click on this view on Instagram, you can see it. Now, in the other situation, maybe we can't see it. View on Instagram. All right, well, it's published somewhere. I don't know what's going on there. But let's see. So here's the other option where I clicked on the calendar. Here is some more text about, oh man, I already forgot what it was about. Active heroes, I believe it was. Yep, active heroes. Yeah, I was right. Heroes. All right. And so now I got that, and I can choose my labels. I have a video all about labels as well, so you can look that up if you want to know how to use labels. Additionally, there's this location. You can choose a location like New Orleans VA Medical Center. Boom. But as I've pointed out in the past, by choosing a location, in some cases in the past we've had this fail to publish. So if you're having instances of posts failing to publish, I would advise you to check whether or not you have location added, and if you do, remove it, and then try again and see if that helps. So let me schedule that, and you will see that instead of going online right away, it actually went on your calendar. So sorry for the confusion there. I don't know why this thing isn't showing up. Um, it should be. Oh yeah, maybe it just took a little while. This is a no. This is a test account, so it's not like a official VA account. It's just something that we use to test with. You can use it too if you want. And then this one over here will publish on Thursday at 11 a.m. So that's it. That's how you schedule content for Instagram using Salesforce Social Studio.